Okay, good morning guys. What's up? It's been so long since I have uploaded some videos, so I've just done my quarantine, and then now to make some videos. This is not part of any beekeeping works, but it's kind of mechanical. Okay, so I have here my old car. It's a Nissan Sentra, or it's called Nissan Sunny in Japan. So it's been sitting here for 8 months. So what I'm gonna plan to do is put her back in her glory. I call her Whitey. She's been with me since 2009, and when I parked it here last year, or this year, last February, when I went back to the US, she was running fine. And then, when you don't really use your car, this is what happens. Tires flat. First, I'm gonna take this one out. This and this fasteners here. So let's start. No more radiator. I've already taken it out. So and so here it is, guys. Nothing's wrong with this, but I'm just gonna clean the inside, replace the fluid. Yeah, because this one looks real neat. I don't need replacing it, just the fluid, because it has been when I left, it was leaking right over here. I thought this one has the problem, but I found it's just the hose. By the way, that's for the transmission. This one, there's two right there. So well, I just have to clean that one up, and it should be good. Okay guys, so we found the problem. It's here. So nagli-leak siya ng oil from the transmission going to the radiator. So all I have to do is cut this portion here that has a crack, see, and I think it should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna start installing the radiator and the fan, so we could start her up. we need to replace this clip with a new one because I lost the nut, so my son's repairing it. So this one's gonna go. Hope it's gonna fit. Clip, that's a clip, so that's one's next. Yeah.
So, clip.